Okay, I'm back with stepper motors. I got these off of Amazon. They sent me 7 stepper motors. They sent with it the LEDs replacements, and there was some solder in there, and there was also I had an orange trim puller. So we're going to stick one of these in. There's the 4 pins, and there's your guide, and here's just another guide. You stick these guys in here like so, and you push them through the hole from the other side. Gotta get them in there. Alrighty. Snap right in. No problem. Now, it's good to bend these like so. You want to make sure they're seated well. Put the flux on. Yeah. Clean that flux off, my man. Clean the flux off. See what you got. Alright, let's move on. There you go. There's our 4 holes. And we use stepper motor. Like so. Push it, baby. Everybody's in. Forward, there we go. We're going to push these just a little bit. Like so. Here come the flux. Here come the flux. Here come the flux. Everybody watch out, because here comes the flux. Got my solder iron set at 475. Seems to be working fine. Clean off the flux. See what you got. On to number 3. There we go. Snap it in. Oh yeah. Them bad boys over. Come on, bend that one that way. Bend this one this way. That would be alright with the rest of them. I need to get some more flux. Here we go. All right. See you in a little bit.